4, yung last na current na news na about sa kababayan natin nagpakamatay, is may uminom naman ng bleach. Alam niyo yun? Diba, nag-attempt siya to end her life. And then, the next, ito ngayon, last one na share, nagba-viral siya dito sa Facebook ng mga kabatch ko na, ayun nga, she is 27 years old, may 2 siyang anak, I'm not sure kung married siya or single mom. I'm not really sure, hindi ko na siya but, yun, it's sad na tinapos niya yung buhay niya using the belt. I don't want to judge her or anything, but one thing I want to encourage everybody talaga na we need God talaga. We need really God to our life, especially working here dito sa bansang Hong Kong. It's not easy. Alam nyo, kahit ako personally,